so we're going to start a section today called relations, and we've already been dealing with this a little bit, and so we're going to review how to read coordinates on a coordinate plane, or how to read a point on a coordinate plane. So first let's go over what a relation is. So a relation refers to the relationship between the x and the y values of an ordered pair. They're called ordered pairs because they are in a specific order. So they always go x, then y when we're reading an ordered pair. And we can think of these very much so like directions on a map. You need to tell me exactly where to go, and we always start at this kind of center point, right? So this is kind of the middle, the 0, 0, and the first number tells me, do I go right or left? The second number tells me, do I go up or down? So if it was 2, and then let's say it was 2, 3, so that tells me I'm going to go 2 to the right because it's positive 2, and then positive 3 tells me I'm going to go up 3. And there we go. There are the directions. I got where I wanted to go there. So it just lets me know what direction to go. So keep that in mind. It's just like a map and giving directions. Be specific. So when we're reading a point in a coordinate plane, just like I said, it's like a map. So the middle of the graph is called the origin. So that part that I said we start at, that 0, 0 point, is the origin. This is where the graphing starts. From this point, the coordinate gives the directions. So right is positive or left is negative, up is positive or down is negative. So if that first number is positive, I go right. If that first number is negative, I go left. Then if the second number is positive, I go up. If the second number is negative, I go down. So it just depends. You do want to make sure you understand that from here, this is positive, this is negative. And then from here, this is positive, and this is negative. Okay, so we want to understand those ideas there. So give the location of Bern as the ordered pair x, y. So first, we want to find Bern. Make sure you're not looking up Berlin. It's Bern. So we have B-E-R-N. So with this one, I'm going to go to this point here from the center. So I'm going to go right 2, and then I'm going to go down 4. So right 2, which is positive, down 4, which is negative. So that is the ordered pair. All right, so we're going to try that one more time. So now we are going to find Berlin. So here we are over here. Here's Berlin. So we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to figure out from the center, I'm going to go over to the right 6, that's positive. And then I'm going to go up 7, which is also positive. So again, if you notice, I'm using reds and greens. So positive was green, negative was red. I was trying to be silly about that. So our coordinate on this one would be 6, 7. And that is all they want us to do on this one, just kind of reading those coordinate points. They also might have you graph some coordinate points in the same way, where they give you the point and then they ask you to put the point on the graph. So I hope that helped, and I will see you in the next video.